Major Cabinet Reshuffle in Canada. Welcome back to Canada Immigration News official YouTube channel. In today's video update, we'll talk about the Major Cabinet Reshuffle by Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, and significant changes were observed across numerous ministries. Please keep in mind that the reshuffle comes after weeks of rumours and is anticipated to organize the Canadian government for the next federal election. Before we go into details, please support us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Let's continue the video and talk about the key changes in the Canadian government cabinet. Sean Fraser is now Minister of Housing, Infrastructure and Communities. Mark Miller becomes Minister of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship. Ahmed Hassan is the current Minister of International Development. Anita Anand is now President of the Treasury Board. Bill Blair has become Minister of National Defence. Randy Boissonnault is the current Minister of Employment, Workforce Development and Official Languages. Pablo Rodriguez is now Minister of Transport and will continue to serve as Quebec Lieutenant. Harjit S. Sujjan has become the President of the King's Privy Council for Canada and Minister of Emergency Preparedness and Minister responsible for the Pacific Economic Development Agency of Canada. Jonathan Wilkinson is the current Minister of Energy and Natural Resources. Let's now talk about the new members in the Canadian government's ministry. It was observed that several new members have been greeted to the ministry, which includes Gary Anand-Desangari, Terry Beach, Soraya Martinez-Ferrada, Yaira Sachs, Jenna Suds, Reki Valdez, and Ara Farani in several roles. Before we conclude the video, let's tell you about the departing ministers from Canadian government's cabinet. Quite a few ministers, including the Minister of Public Safety Marco Mendicino, the Minister of Justice David Lametti, and the President of the Treasury Board Monique Fortier, are leaving the Canadian cabinet. It was also noted that Joyce Murray, Omar Alghabra, and Helena Jaczek have also pronounced their departure from federal politics just before the next federal election. Our video ends here. Comment below and share your opinion with us. Thanks for watching today's video update.